everyone, Tina Service here with Lead Titan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Maid Central to GoHighLevel or Lead Titan. And for this trigger coming from Maid Central, this is going to be for the job completed. This one is going to be for a job completed for both recurring and one-time. I don't do these separate ones here. I just do this because I can pull all of the information. This is, again, assuming that you have already connected your Maid Central account to Zapier. If you haven't done that yet, I suggest you go and watch the video that I have on YouTube on how to do the integration between Maid Central and Zapier. This is also assuming that you have your GoHighLevel account connected to Zapier. And again, if you haven't done that, I do have a video that you can watch in my YouTube channel that I found to be helpful. All right, so we're going to go back to the beginning here. If this is the first video you're watching, I want to start at the beginning so you know where we're starting. So in your Zapier account, you're going to click the Create button, and you're going to create New Zap. And then down here, you're going to go find the Maid Central application. That's here. We're going to go select the trigger event, which is going to be this job completed. Again, it's for both recurring and one-time jobs. And your Maid Central account is connected here. We're going to hit continue. It's going to go and find some records and pull this record here of this person. And this is saying that this person has his job completed. So I'm just going to pull in the basic information, which is first name, last name, email, and phone number. And the reason I only pull in that information is because I've already pulled in the other information through other zaps that we will get to. But in this case, we're just bringing in first name, last name, email, and phone number, and we're going to put it in the Opportunities tab. All right, so we need to go in and type in Lead Connector here. Lead Connector is the gray label for GoHighLevel. And the action here is we're going to add update opportunity. Okay, so in here, we're going to select the account and then continue. And we're going to update, as I had mentioned, the first name, the last name, the phone number, and the email. And just a reminder, GoHighLevel does match on phone number and email. So I suggest the best way to make sure you're not creating duplicates is to pull both information in. It'll first check on email and then phone number. It is sometimes you can have a person in here that in your GoHighLevel account that has like a different email and stuff, so it may create a new record for you, but the idea is that it's going to match on email and then phone number first. And then for this person, I'm just going to leave it as the mark as lead is going to be false. And then the pipeline is going to be our Maid Central pipeline, and the stage is going to be job completed. And okay, we're going to go ahead and hit continue. It's telling you what fields it's pulling over, which fields are going to stay empty. We're going to test it. And then you can go over and verify this information in your GoHighLevel account. Make sure that it came over. And when you are satisfied that the information came over, you can go ahead and hit publish.